Hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Professional Mukbang. This is the show where I professionally eat something that's spicy and you just kind of sit there and watch, and I don't know what you're doing, but you're just going to keep doing it, so there's nothing I can do about it. And today we've got one from South Korea for the US market. This is Samyang with their cheese Buldak artificial spicy chicken flavor ramen. It's been a few years since I've had this one, and they've changed the labeling, and I've noticed in other varieties, the curry most noteworthy, they completely changed the recipe. So I'm very curious if they've done the same thing with this one. This is going to be a new review and a new mukbang, so that's fancy today. Another fancy thing is Mimi. That's right, it's Mimi. She's not feeling good today, folks. She's homesick from school. That's crummy. Well, I made some of this stuff, and here is what it looks like. We made chashu the other day. This is some angularly cut spring onion. And this is our noodle, a little bit of sesame seed on top. You want to try it? It's extra spicy. No. All right.
I don't like spicy.
No, you don't tend to like the spicy. Well, I could use your help. Can you give me a ready, set, go?
Ready, set, go!
It's hot. It definitely, I am getting the cheese taste from it. Very fresh chashu. I'm going to say the only thing I really dislike about this one is the fact that you drain all the liquid out. It's nice if it has a little more moisture going on. It's very, very dry. Good heat, that's for sure. But yeah, it's just like it needs a little bit of liquid, a couple spoons. Some people complain that if you have liquid in it, like even just like a couple spoons, it'll dilute it and it won't be as strong. Those people are ridiculous. And what I say to them, oh, well, if it's diluted, you haven't put why don't you put like a few Carolina Reaper peppers on there? Like 4 or 5. Done. How'd I do?
Good.
Good? All right.
I'm a butterfly.
As am I. All right, well, yeah, if you're into spicy and a little bit of a cheese flavor, it's not a very strong cheese flavor. I would say put some more cheese on it. If you like the Buldak, you'll like this. And this has been Hans, and this has been
Mimi.
wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Each and every day.
Have a good one.
Bye.